starting a short video to attempt to see if I can control the AG camera mounted on my little netbook remotely using TeamViewer. Start TeamViewer up, and the camera, the computer I want to go to is this one here. Connect. I'm connecting to the netbook, hopefully. What is the password? So there is the screen on my small netbook. So we can change the exposure. It's in the auto expose mode. I can turn it off and change the exposure. Longer exposure, shorter exposure. Let me see if I can adjust the parameters on the other aspects. There's your histogram, so I could make it brighter, make it darker, go back to defaults, change the gamma. Let's go to zoom. So it does look like that using TeamViewer, you could leave the 10-inch netbook outside as long as it was connected to the internet, say your house Wi-Fi, and then log in inside using a different computer and control the camera.